Today, we at Samsung are introducing a revolutionary design. A phone that pushes the boundaries. A phone that's the first of its kind and a technological advancement. Today, we're introducing the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. The new Infinity O display provides an incredible full-screen experience like never before, pushing the boundaries of display technology, providing more real estate on the only AMOLED display with this technology, and giving the richest user experience with as little intrusions as possible. But we didn't stop there. The Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus also feature the best in-display fingerprint scanning technology available today. Below the display, we've integrated transducers, providing a sound wave pulse and response to an electrical stimulus. These waves reflect on the input surfaces with each fingerprint, creating unique reflections, allowing the system to authenticate the user, making it the fastest and most secure sensor in the world. With this new groundbreaking technology, there's no intrusive bright light or predefined scanner location, with 30% display integrated transducer coverage for a tap anywhere to unlock experience unlike any smartphone ever. We've also upgraded the new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with dual front-facing cameras with standard and wide-angle lenses for both solo and amazing group selfies. We've also upgraded the rear cameras with the revolutionary new camera setup on both the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, with a larger 12-megapixel sensor along with both telephoto and a super wide-angle lens with a 127-degree field of view. Pushing the boundaries of mobile photography with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, we're able to achieve a more natural depth of field through the integration of the time-of-flight sensor, which natively captures depth instead of relying on multiple images, creating stunning results in every situation. Like always, at Samsung, we aspired to provide an uncompromised user experience through the continued inclusion of the trusted universal headphone jack, providing the user with convenience instead of a dongle, increasing the battery capacity of both the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, along with our new optimized One UI software. 2 days on a single charge is now a reality. Combined with the most powerful and efficient CPU built on a smaller manufacturing process, the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus are more than just a step in evolution. They're a leap in technology. Introducing the next generation, the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, with 5G versions launching soon. Samsung. Aspire to inspire.